Remy, is it a boy or a girl?
Hey, dab them on.
What is it?
Come here, Remy.
Come here. Let's
Come.
come back over here so that we can shoot it. Come on.
Okay, this was David's gender reveal idea. This is what he wants to do.
Mom.
Mande. In a minute, look. Go shoot a gun with Daddy.
Shoot this.
No.
Go.
Please.
Please.
Just for a minute.
Are you ready, Rosie?
Yes.
Go.
What is it? What color was it?
You're not.
How was that?
What color was it?
What's in there? What's in it, Ernie?
So what is it?
Is it a girl?
Yeah, you're having Eve, I guess.